Hi, this has been a long time since I've put a video on YouTube. Today's video is about Samsung versus LG. Which machine is the best between the two machines if you would go and buy? Unfortunately, here in South Africa, these two machines are only available in second-hand shops because a lot of stores have stopped selling Blu-ray players because of streaming. Now, let me just say the Samsung Blu-ray player, because I watched the movies on a projector, I would almost say that the Samsung have a better picture quality than the LG, but it can also be mentally maybe because the LG machine is smaller than the Samsung. That is why I would say the Samsung picture is better than the LG. However, there is where the benefits of the Samsung ends. I would most strongly recommend this LG Blu-ray player because number one, the Samsung Blu-ray player, when you put in a DVD, a lot of times you must make sure that the DVD is nice and clean and so on. And even then, a lot of times the Samsung will say no disk or it will struggle to read the disk. Where the LG, sometimes I've even put in dirty disks and you have disks that they have scratches on. The LG played from the start to the finish, no problem. No stopping during the movie. There's a lot of times where you watch a movie where the movie suddenly pause and then you must wait maybe 10 or 15 seconds for the movie to start to play again further. Well, I must say this Samsung machine is full of that. And not only that, the problem I have with the Samsung machine is these two movies. See these two movies, Pacific Rim, and then there's Batman, The Dark Knight Rises.